Which one?
That one. That one? Hi! Hi, Santa!
You say hi, Santa.
That was Santa.
Who is that?
Yeah, that was Santa. That's Santa.
Was that Santa's sleigh?
Get the camera. What about this one?
Which one?
That guy right
Yes!
What do you think?
I want it.
Do you like that one, Gavin?
Yeah. Don't break it.
He's just knocking the snow off.
Look how they're hiding.
Is she hiding?
Yeah. Hiding.
Oh, that's a good hiding spot for Gavin. Where's Gavin?
Oh, Daddy might have found the one.
What?
Yeah, I like it.
What's this one?
This one right here.
Is it chubby enough for McKenna?
Yeah.
Chubby.
Do you want to do something, McKenna?
Okay, I'll do some.
You'll do something?
What are you saying?
Timber!
Shit, Gavin! It's gone! Walk, get close.
Okay. Gavin, do you want to ride? You want a shoulder ride? You want to ride on Daddy's shoulders?
Daddy's shoulders?
I do.
Can you wave to the camera, Gavin?
Whoa.
Warm, hey?
Is there a Christmas tree?
Yeah. Laser.
That's gonna fly out.